Morphle, morph into a television. Let's watch something fun.
This is Barry. He received an invitation from his nephew Frank, who lives in the jungle, and he would like to visit him. But I can't just leave the zoo unattended. Could you take Barry to the jungle, Mila and Morphle?
Of course, Zookeeper Kenneth. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Don't get too close, Morphle. The volcano is really hot. Okay, Barry, where does your nephew Frank live? Don't worry, we will help you find him. This sounds like a job for Detective Mila and Detective Morphle. Does Frank like bananas, Barry? Then he must have dropped these while taking a walk. If we follow the bananas, we will find Frank. Oh no, a tiger! Morph into a lion, Morphle. Thank you, Morphle. Yes, back to the search. Oh no, look! The elephant is dropping all those bananas, not Frank. You want us to follow you? So this is your nephew, Frank. Yay! Hey, Barry, it's getting late, and we have to return home. Ooh, that's very nice. Thank you so much for the party, everybody. Morph into a helicopter, Morphle.